We're in Castlemaine today, and we are pulling a beehive out of here. It looks like most of the hive is below the entrance in this bulbous section. Doesn't look like it goes up the limb. If it does, we do have permission to fell that part of the yellow gum, but I'm hoping I don't have to. Let's see what we get when we open it up. Okay, so I've cut out a piece of the tree, haven't had to fell the limb. It'll still be stable enough. Bit of honeycomb there, but you can see the brood and everything. The queen's retreated into the back layers, so that's all good. Keeps it nice and safe. We'll just start working our way towards the back, catch the queen, frame up everything else, and we'll see how we go. Okay, we are well into the cutout. We got 6 frames of brood, and we have a heap of bees left in the old hive. We still have to catch the queen, so we'll do some scooping, grab the queen, cage her, and then let the rest of the bees sort themselves out. Okay, queen's in the box with all the brood. We've got bees floating around all over the place, some found in the front. We've even got bees climbing up the tree. So, yay. All good. They should sort themselves out and head into the box. I used smoke to push the queen out. She was being stubborn and hiding down where I couldn't get her. But yeah, we'll come back tomorrow night and just see how they're going. Okay, back here today. It looks like they're settling into their new home. They are cleaning up their old home. Give it a week or so and they'll be right.